Kicker's videos. If you are new here, what we do is we take pieces of clothing you already have in your closet and turn it into new pieces. All our videos are beginner friendly, so I highly recommend you guys to try it with me, and then I'll leave our socials and you can tag us to show us how it came out. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you take an old shirt, button-down shirt that you no longer wear anymore, and create this dress. The first thing that we are going to do is we are going to remove the sleeves. Once the sleeves are removed, we are actually going to remove the collar part because we want ours to be without a collar. A tip that I have when doing this step is there's a natural line the sleeves have, and I recommend just cutting on that line to have a cleaner finish. To have a slit by the chest, so I'm just going to mark where I want that slit to be. I'm going to use the back of the shirt to be the front of my dress and the front of the shirt to be the back of my dress, so the buttons will be on the back and the back of the dress will be the front. So you can't really see the lines I made on camera, but these are what I'm going to follow to cut out, and you only want to cut out on one side. You don't want it to be on the back of the dress as well. So make sure you're only cutting the front part of your dress when you're doing this step. This is what it looks like when it is done. You can wear it either way. The back of the dress does have a little bit of a slit, so you might want to wear maybe a short skirt with it or some shorts. It's up to you. This is the step you can go back and clean up anything that you feel like looks a little messy or that you cut a little rough, you can clean it up now. And that's all. If you do end up using this method, this quick DIY, please do add us on TikTok or tag us on our Instagram or send us a tweet. We want to see how it came out. And because all our videos are beginner friendly, I always love sewing tips. So if you have a sewing tip for us, let me know in the comments below. That's all for now. Bye.